Yo, what's good, YouTube? Back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing something different for the channel, I guess. Today we're gonna be changing clutch cable for Hyundai Atos, let's say. So currently there's been some difficulties to people who knows this type of brand, especially the Hyundai Atos. There's got a problem of clutch cable. So today we're gonna be going ahead and exchange it. This is gonna be the first time, by the way, doing this thing. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and release the light here. Yeah. Okay, there we go. So what do we mean by clutch cable? So this is the clutch cable. It goes through that hole there, then it comes through here. So what's happening is, I don't know if you can see clearly, it has been all eaten up here. So just to keep yourself safe on the road, you should quickly put a new one here, because if it breaks when you're in dangerous places, you might have a hell of a day. So I guess this is gonna be as easy as I think. So let's go ahead and loosen it up down here. Okay, so I'm gonna start by lifting up here. You see there's a little nut here, so I'm gonna go ahead and make it loose so that it will be able to detach that part, which I think that's the clutch plate. I think the one which it always lifts up. So as you can see right here, it's as easy as cutting margarine with a wood knife. See, so right out, just like that. I think you can see down here. Yes, you can see it's out here. Just as easy like that. Then it goes ahead and come out through this hole here. So for it to be a bit easier, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this plate here. I'm gonna remove this plate. I'm gonna remove this plate, these nuts, and I remove this plate to come out easy. Was what happened the other day is this plate as well, it had a crack, so I had to go and fix it up. So let's go ahead and check out these two bolts so that I'll be able to remove this easily. So there we go ahead. Check out this. Yeah, I don't do like professional spanners and stuff, so normally I prefer to use a shifting spanner because it suits almost like 90% of the bolts you can open. So that's why I prefer a shifting spanner to carry it around like a safety kit. So yeah, I've managed to make them loose, the screws now, so I'm gonna easily take them out with my hand. So I'm gonna take them out. One is out, and I go ahead and remove the other one, just like that. There is another one. So two nuts are out. There we go. So now this is gonna be easy to put my plate right over there. So as you can see, it had been all eaten up here now. but I'm not gonna throw it away. Just in case of emergency, maybe I might put it back. So now the last part is I'm gonna go ahead and detach it from the inside now. These are our pedals. To those who are not familiar with manual cars, this is our clutch pedal. It's already loose because I removed it from the other side. This is our brake pedal, our acceleration pedal. So on top here, you just follow it down there. I'm not sure if you can see. Let me put on the flashlight for you guys. Right. If you can see there is my clutch cable there. There is it attaching there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take it out. Then I put in the new one. So that cable, I can see it. It's right here. Wait. Yeah, here's it. I don't know if you can see. So I'm gonna, since I'm using one hand, I'm gonna cut here, then I attach it to this thing here. Then after that, I'm gonna show you. So all done now, you see. I attach it there. It is easy. I think this is one of the easiest car to fix. You can be your own mechanic, guys. You can be your own mechanic. So as I was saying, most of these Hyundai Atos, you see the body, it gets eaten up. It has got a cheaper quality material which they use to fix this car. So what you can do is you weld the steel plate from outside there to prevent this board from being eaten up. As you can see there, it's all eaten up there, especially on that spot where the clutch goes through in and out there. So better make sure that you weld the steel plate there to prevent unnecessary problems there, especially with that clutch. It might become a problem. So it's not that hard, guys. So come back around, you know. As you can see, that's where that cable went through here now. So now the only part is I'm gonna put back that plate which I took out there. Then I'm gonna put it back. Then I attach my cable right through here. Just the way how we took it out, guys. So I don't think there is much difficult and something needs to be learned here, guys. Once you have seen it, someone doing it, I'm pretty much sure you can do it as well. Guys, our process is almost over now. Like I told you guys, this is gonna be as easy as cutting margarine with a hot knife. Some things you don't need to pay anyone to do it for you. You gotta have to do it on your own, guys. It's easy, just like that, guys. So you gotta be your own mechanic. You gotta be a man, guys. That's what women want, guys. You gotta be a man. You must be able to fix a tire puncture and things like that. You don't necessarily just need to go to mechanic all the time. See, so guys, you gotta man up and know some regular stuff. Unless if it is an engine rebuild or something, that one I might say I don't know. But things like these, to remove a starter, 1-2-1-2, some of these things I can do it on my own, man. Even to refill the what you call it here, the gas for the what you call it, for the icon, for the aircon. Yes, sorry, for the aircon. I can do it on my own. I just buy my own self that gas tank, that one for like for the fridges and stuff. Then I come, I refill it. Easy, guys. Even the brake pedals I can remove on my own. Just like how we started, guys. I'm gonna put back this cable right through this wall before I put back this plate, so that it won't be difficult for you to put it back. So yeah, just as easy like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and screw back this plate here. Alright, I think so far so good. Everything is back in place. Put back the plate. I attach it back there by the clutch what. So right now what's gonna be happening is I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the engine. then I start to reduce I don't know what they call it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start the engine. Then I start to reduce the clutch sensitivity. I'm not sure. I'm not using the right terms. I'm not a mechanic, but I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I'm gonna come back and start to reduce this screw here. I'm gonna be turning it up until I can feel the car goes back in gear, because if the clutch cable is not properly tuned, it's not gonna be going in gear. It's not gonna be, I don't know, engaging into gears and stuff. I don't know, but whatever it is, it's supposed to be changing gears. My hands are even dirty now. Like I'm a mechanic. Still soft, you see. So I'm gonna start to tune it a bit by bit. Right. As you can see, it's not going in gear. So so I'm gonna have to tune it, because if I press the, you see, it's still hard here. So that is what you're gonna need to go in ahead and tune. So if you want to tune it now, what you need to do is you lift up this thing. I'm not sure if you're gonna see now. Let's start to pull it. Let me go back and check. Still, if it is that case, the clutch will be almost finished. So you need to tune it more. Alright, as you can see now, it's engaging in gears now. You see? That is what I was talking about. When it's right now, you see, it's going into gears. So if you don't know, you gotta keep trying, reduce it a little bit, until you can feel it. When you change gears, must go back in gear. So yeah, see guys, you must subscribe to my channel, because I'm teaching you these things for free. I'm teaching you guys these things for free. I'm not even wanting your money or something. I just want you guys to learn for free. I think the clutch cable part has been complete now, the clutch cable part. So what I'm gonna be doing now is you guys see there's a lot of dirt in this engine. I'm gonna just go ahead and try to clean out the engine, then after that I think it will be done. I can't even wash the car to where the weather is a bit rough. Feels like it's gonna rain later on today anyway, so yeah, I'm not gonna wash the car today, but the engine obviously I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it, and after that I think we'll be done. Absolutely. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the like button, and turn on the notification bells for more and more content like this. Just let me know down the comment below if you need more content like this, like to do your own car service and stuff. I'll be doing just the minors. I told you, like I said, engine rebuilds and stuff, I cannot do that. But the minors, the tire changing and stuff, I can literally show you that, guys. So go ahead and subscribe.